Hi, everybody. Today's Monday Minute on Wednesday again. Why am I doing it today? Well, it's not so much because we're a little bit behind, it's because we took an exam yesterday. And I didn't want to bug you guys on Monday with new content. Anyways, there's something new I'm going to be doing this week. One of the things that I've personally been looking at, and I'm sure you've been thinking about yourself, is when I come over here and I look at Unit 1. Look at how long this module is. It is a beast. And, I have to admit, even I get lost in this dumb thing. So, what I decided to do was, which some of you probably seen this in other online classes, put a Module 8 link here, or a Week 8 link to our content. It'll take you straight to the objectives and dates table. I'll be doing this every week. So, we're going to be starting with Chapter 10 today. Video lecture still to come. One of the things I do want to bring up, rabbit dissection videos are at the bottom of the week 2 module. The reason being is because I want you guys to look at the module content first, at least scroll through it. Look at some of the muscle groups, look at the muscle tissue information, because you're going to be identifying elements in your rabbit dissection. More information is coming on that. Your rabbit dissection video will be due a week from today on the 14th. So by tomorrow, I'm going to have a sheet that you can download so that you'll have a set of muscles for you to identify, and you're going to have to make a video and submit a short video identifying your rabbit muscles. You must first watch the rabbit dissection videos before you do that. Otherwise, you will not know what's going on. You'll cut into that rabbit, and then you'll find out that, I just cut through the muscle group I'm supposed to show. So first, watch those rabbit dissection videos. Super, super important. Lab activity will be posted. The muscle tissue slides, that's a link that I'm going to have available to you where you can go and look at histology sections of muscle tissue. So what I'm going to be doing now each week is just focusing on the week's worth of content. These modules are just like getting super long, kind of out of control. So let's just go 1 week at a time, one chapter at a time, until you get to 12 and 13. That's all going to happen in 1 week. Lab activity or lab chapter, I guess I should say chapter 11. Chapter 11 is also going to be over musculature, muscle groups and stuff. We're going to be doing 2 dissections, the first rabbit dissection, the second one. Again, you will be using those videos for you to help you make those dissection videos. I will let you know what you need to show me in dissection video 1 and dissection video 2. And those will be video uploads. Quizzes for 10 and 11 are going to be separate. That should make your life a little easier. We're going to go back to quizzes on Sundays again, okay? And the quiz, for chapter 11, I'm going to have to push that. No, actually, that will be on the 18th. Well, yeah, those will both be on the 18th. They'll be for separate chapters, separate chapter quizzes, but they'll be on the 18th. I don't know, maybe I'll put them together and make your life easier. So that you only have to go to one link, right? Why should we put them in 2 links? Moving on to 12 and 13, that's the nervous system chapter. You're going to be looking at nervous tissue slides again, histology slides. I'll send a link to you to go look at those. You will be doing a sheep brain dissection in that chapter as well. You're going to be doing the same thing, a dissection video, and submitting that. There's also a separate lab activity, and there's going to be a chapter 12 and 13 discussion. So chapter 12 and 13 are going to be identifying both general nervous system anatomy or tissue anatomy, microanatomy, and then moving on to brain anatomy, large scale neuroanatomy, cerebral cortices, the ventricular system inside the brain. We're not going to get into super great detail, but you will be getting an idea of like Broca's area, Wernicke's area, what happens in different parts of the brain, occipital cortex, things like that. Anyways, so the lab exam number 3 will be on October 27th, which leads me to a little chitty chat about this last lab exam. Lots of emails from you all saying I didn't have enough time. This was really hard. The first thing I'll say is this is probably more in line with what a normal lab exam is like, really hard. You have to memorize things. The easy thing for you guys was that I left out the element of having to spell everything in the identification section. You just had to look at the letter and identify it given a set of terms. Usually what we give you is 100 blank spots on a page, and we say identify A, identify B, identify C, and so on. And you have to rotate around the room and look at a little flag and write it out. And if you get the spelling wrong, you lose half a point. So that wasn't an issue on this exam. A few people said that they wrote a lot in the essay section. I haven't graded it yet, obviously, but I am getting to that. So we'll see how that goes. Before the essay, the highest score was a 77. I will be curving the unit exams. So, you know, if you're disappointed right now, just be patient, okay? I will be getting to that. So I am not going to go forward and show you grades and stuff and how I'm going to do all that stuff, but you will be finding these module links taking you to the newest content of the week every week. Monday Minute will be starting next Monday again. I never edit these to make myself look any better. What are you going to do? Oh, well. Anyways, I hope you guys have a relaxing day today. Hang in there, okay? Don't quit. Don't give up. Don't panic. We can always panic later. Okay, guys? Have a great week. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.